Look at this blurry video. And now, look at it after AI enhancement. This low-resolution clip has clearer edges, less visible noise, and much better detail. Here is a blurry portrait before enhancement. And here is the restored version. Even this small, compressed image can be enlarged while keeping the face and finer details much clearer. So how difficult is it to create results like these? Today, I am testing VideoProc Converter AI and showing you exactly how to enhance low-quality videos and photos step by step. But first, a quick question. How many video tools do you have installed on your Mac right now? One for format conversion, one for upscaling, one for editing, and one just for downloading. Every time you make a video, it feels like you're playing a frustrating game of software hopscotch. And have you ever calculated how much you spend on video tool subscriptions each month? Over the course of a year, that adds up to enough to buy a brand new smartphone. That is exactly why VideoProc Converter AI is such a massive upgrade. It's an all-in-one solution. You get format conversion, AI enhancement, editing, downloading, screen recording, and even DVD ripping inside a single app. And the best part? They offer a lifetime license and family edition. You pay once and use it forever across both Mac and Windows. Let's jump right into the software and look at super resolution. I'm dropping in a low-resolution, heavily compressed video clip. On the right, you can see their newest AI models, Gen Detail V3 and Real Smooth V3. Gen Detail is specifically designed to reconstruct missing natural textures like skin, hair, and fabric. Real Smooth is perfect for stripping out digital noise and flaws. Watch the real-time split screen. The AI doesn't just stretch the pixels, it uses deep learning to actually generate the missing details. We are upscaling this grainy footage by 400% straight to crisp 4K. And because the software dynamically adjusts your GPU memory footprint, it won't crash your system, processing 40 to 80% faster than older models. All right, as you can see, I've set the resolution to 4K, and everything looks good. Now I'll click Run to process the entire video. This might take a little while, so let's wait for it to finish, and then check out the final results.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to check the description for giveaways and challenges. I'll be back soon with another tutorial. Until then, goodbye.
Great, now the video looks perfect. But what about motion? If you are generating AI video clips in tools like VO3 that often output at lower frame rates, you can use the frame interpolation tool. It converts those choppy clips into 120, 240, or even 480 frames per second for ultra-smooth playback. Add in the AI shake removal, and your footage looks flawless. Next, let's switch over to Image AI. Right now, we are going to focus purely on quality enhancement and face restoration. If you are generating highly detailed AI character portraits in tools like Flux, you know that export limitations can sometimes hold your art back. This module can intelligently enhance your photos and AI art to 4K, 8K, or even a massive 10K resolution. Look at this blurry portrait. I'm enabling face restoration. Watch closely as I slide the preview bar. The AI specifically targets facial clarity, reconstructing the eyes and sharpening the jawline while keeping the skin looking completely elegant and natural, removing all of those ugly compression artifacts. And if you want to take your digital creations into the real world, you can tweak the DPI settings right here to optimize the image quality and sizing for professional physical printing. Want to test these exact features out on your own files? Right now, you can download the software and try it out using the free giveaway link on their promo page. But if you want to unlock the full power of this all-in-one toolkit forever, you need to grab their holiday special deal. It is literally their lowest price of the year. You can get a massive 62% off the lifetime license, and it comes as a buy one, get four free bundle. I have put the free download link alongside the 62% off special deal link in the description below. Go grab your copy, clean up your media, and stop playing software hopscotch today. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into AI workflows and image generation. I'm Akalenka. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Let's do this.